Hello, today I'm going over data analysis, atmospheric CO2, and ocean currents. And we have a couple of graphs that we're going to look at here and here, where really we're looking at data either in graphs or on maps, but seeing what the trends in data are and seeing if we can understand what those trends mean, how they are related. This first one, it gives the situation here. And then on the graph, there's a lot of things going on. The first that you're looking at is atmospheric CO2. That's this red series of dots and lines. And what it's showing is CO2 in parts per million along this side. And you can see that it's rising from 1960 to 2010. So the years are going to work the same for each one of these. In green, we see CO2 levels in the ocean. Now this is a different count. So you actually don't read the count here on either side. It just shows the concentration of CO2 in seawater since they started measuring it in the 1990s. So you see that rising just like you see this CO2 in the atmosphere rising. And then finally you see seawater and the pH of seawater. Now you're going to use this side for that. So here is the pH of the seawater starting in 1990 going to 2010, and you read the pH level from over here. All right. So based on that stuff, then you're going to answer a few questions about how these things might be related. And then on this page, it talks about a tsunami, the Japanese tsunami that happened in 2011, and the debris that was carried out to sea from that tsunami. Well, they have a concentration of debris here. This is a concentration map, and there's two different years. They're each a year apart. And you're looking at this map and the concentration of debris. This is the most concentrated area. And then you're going to see how it's moved as it's floated on top of the ocean. And that's going to tell us something about ocean currents. So we can see the movement of ocean currents based on the movement of all this debris. All right, and then you answer the questions down here. All right, let me know if I can help. Thank you very much.